on this morning, family? I'm out here working on a generator that I had bought. This is a Coleman with a Subaru engine on there. Very good setup. I got it used. You know, I'm always looking for good used equipment. Well, I had to do a little tinkering with it, but I upgraded this to a 20 amp, and it was 15. And I upgraded the wiring behind this one, and I got a piece of copper. I made it like this, and I put it behind both of these, so that way when I'm welding on it with a 20 amp machine, it won't kick it off. So I upgraded this, and then I put these behind it, so that way it won't kick off. And so when I put the 220 switch in here, or the 110, it won't kick off. It'll let me weld. Like down here, I was just doing a little sample, and that's flux core. I don't know if you can see that good, but I did a good 8-inch weld, consistent without it shedding off. So it did exactly what I wanted it to do. And like I say, this is not an expensive machine, man, but this is a very good generator. I mean, just for power, it's a good machine. So if you get you a good used generator and a good used welder, like look at this. This is a SP-135. They don't even sell these no more. They sell the 140s now. So you can get a 140 or find you a good used one. I spent $300 for this one. And I spent $300 for the generator. This is a $600 setup. You know, I bought a new cord on it though. Put a new cord that was like maybe 75 bucks. You know, upgraded a few things on it to make it, you know, like I wanted, and built me a cart to hold like I wanted it, you know what I'm saying, so I can get money. But look at the money I got involved. I'm under $1,000 invested in this little piece of setup, you know, not counting my welding hood, you know. And even if I count my welding hood, this is another, probably together with the hard hat, it's probably like 80, 50, 35. So 80 for the hard hat, about 40, 45 for the hood, and 50, 60 for the lens. And like I say, I'm under 1,000, and I got a good mobile setup, and this is a flux core, so you can do a lot of fencing, gates, and this machine actually welds up to 5/16. So I mean, you can pretty much weld everything that you need to weld in the field with this. So it's been a very good machine for me, man. Like I say, always look used before you buy new. That's what I would say. All gone.